Alright. Okay. Alrighty, so. Why you like that? Gonna have to make sure all these are okay. Alright, so we set up all the ghost actions, and now it's time for it's time to like link up all the actionable items. Oh, what the fuck? Yeah, okay. Link all the actionable items to their room controllers, and then the ghosts will be able to use them. Juno. I think that's basically it. It's kind of hard to see. Let's see. There we go. Yeah, I think it was okay. Put a stove in there. Man. Those just don't open. We're just ignoring that. Okay. So that's all there. Now, basically, we take this. And we say, uh-oh. We're supposed to have slam objects. Did I get rid of that? No, it should have just been audio objects that I got rid of. Uh-oh. Electronics, furniture, fire. Dang, yeah, okay. That's fine. So, this will be a list that I add drawers and things to. Okay. Find target, activate condition. This. That's easy. Pick object type array. So, with the slam objects. And then we open this up to big from 6. Now I can randomly pick a slam object. Okay. It's a big object type array. It's coming from here. So if the entity is there, then we look for one of those object category arrays. Then we test the length of the array to see if there's anything actually in it. If there isn't, where the false execution is, we go back. We try to randomly pick one again and keep doing that until we find one with an actionable item. It's sloppy, but it works. Once we find it, we pull one random object from the list of items and we pass that object out. And then with that object, we tell it to do an action. Okay. So this location zone thing kind of helps me dictate what objects for the ghost to interact with. But now I'm thinking I want instead of basically doing actions at the object level, I want to do it at this location zone level to say, like, turn off all the electronics or throw all the items, something. So now I need I need a way to redirect this. So maybe it'll do like a random try to do something local. And then yeah, we can redirect that. So get rid of the whole slam operation too. Dang. Well, essentially, what I'm getting at here is this spooky action. This will just close. So yeah, I have these set up. This needs to just be its own custom action event, I think. So yeah, the way this needs to work is that like each object class can have its own custom events for actions to do, but then only the classes that are getting put in the scenes have routes from the interface to actually execute those events. Okay. So essentially the main class up here is already doing this. It's receiving the interface input, storing the variables, and then passing out a number of points and basically an execution tree. So here we say custom spooky. This basically goes into a switch here, but the switch is always the same. This is going to be our total number of action points available, which is 10. So we take that in, and then with those points, essentially, we take this action, bring it up there, and then because we don't necessarily have options for the other things just yet, we will just make every output fire this ability. Otherwise, if we leave them empty, then nothing will happen if it doesn't spend the exact right amount of points. Okay. So I think that's good. I need to remember where I'm burning through the action points. So I set this up already with the furniture. Whoa, what? Ghost object, sorry. This is what it's ultimately going to look like. Set this minor impulse, blah, 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 remove action points. Okay. And we're setting the AP cost as well. So essentially doing this. And then at the end of our action, do this. Maybe update that. That's to block it. What if I just pull it off of here? Right, I mean, this is just, yeah, this is fine. Because it doesn't need to, like, complete the action before the points are redacted or removed. Okay. Why are you like this? Damn you. Die, you little bastard. Really doesn't like going backwards. Constrained components, yada yada yada. Okay. So, actually, the way this is really supposed to work is I'm supposed to call an event. So what this action is doing is it's just slowly closing the door. Custom event. Close door. Event. Why not? And then out of here we say close door event. But technically, it's more like this. So we set the action point cost, and we run the event. This event fires and does its thing. Cha-cha-cha. You know what I'm saying? And then we just kind of rinse and repeat for every like tier of action. So spooky's like the low level. Then we do one for scary and harmful. Yeah. So this is just for a door hinge. Basically now, even I can send... Can I though now? Dang. Yeah, this might... I'm trying to think of, for testing, I was using the player controller to send an interaction or an interface event to these objects. But now I'm kind of... The way the entity is communicating with them is different. Somehow I'm going to need to get into these switches in a custom format. I could just make testing... Yeah, I do have a testing interface option. So let's see. BPI test. No. Yeah, ghost test. No, that's input action. No, the blueprint interface. No implemented interface. Yeah, okay. So ghost objects is the master class. I'm gonna put the interface in here. Slam. No, dang it. Okay. Blueprint ghost interaction. Okay. So make one of these bad boys. Go into blueprint interface. And I call this blueprint ghost. Blueprint ghost. Interaction interface. Ghost test. Okay. We're coming here. Ghost test function. I'm gonna need to pass. Yeah, okay. The ghost inputs its test action points. The ghost puts in action points for the proper item to occur, so I must pass that. Okay. Now back here. BPGI ghost test. So we implement the ghost test in the object. Now over here, BPGI ghost test function. No, I want event ghost test. Ghost test. Yeah. Okay. Bing, bada, boom. Shite. I think we can just do this. You know what I'm saying? Whoops. Because like that's okay, right? Okay. Now come back to my controller. Make it so that I cast that ghost testing. I wonder, well, actually, no. I'm trying to think, like, because I have that interface event called in the master class. If I call it in the base class, like a subclass, it might override it. But I don't want to deal with that for having to jump back and forth between testing and letting the ghost do its thing. Enhanced input action ghost test. Right? This is just like a totally different button. These, yeah, see, these are kind of worthless now because we don't communicate these events with the assets themselves. I would need like a combo system of inputs almost, like hit a button, it'll send, I'll still communicate with the room object just like the ghost does, but I would like hit one button for like the object category and blah, 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 I don't know. Actually, I wonder if I can cast to an actor. Pass that actor as a variable into the location zone. And then we just do this. Let's see. So in my player controller, I would want it to happen. Yeah, I'd like to look at an asset and hit my 3 testing keys. All right. Yeah, I think that's what we should do. So like this was working to just like point at something, hit these options, and like see what would happen. So right now I have my number keys set up to give myself action points. So I just gotta point at stuff and hit these keys. Okay, so we're tracing object types for world dynamic and physics body. Okay, that's fair. We're gonna hit these. I don't think we really care about implementing the harmful interface. We need to hit the object. I need to get the hit actor out. Yeah, the hit actor, okay. I might have to remake some of these actions. Send the harmful action interface. To no, because that's how, yeah, so the ghost is sending the harmful action interface to the blueprints. Okay. So basically I need to store where is this? So our location zones track what players and if the entity is inside of them or not. So I think so this is the entities and location. Event activate. Yeah, So for each player in the zone. Yada, yada, yada. Okay. And I think it's like on overlap. We should be activating, no? Okay. But yeah, on overlap we're adding our first person characters to a list. And then we will say as that first person character again, which is going to be crap. No, come on. Return. No. Dang it. So I want to set a variable in my player controller. And this is just getting the player character class, not the controller. Instigator controller returns the instigator's controller. What does that even mean? What's the instigator controller, guys? Help. Help. What's the instigator controller? Help. What the it returned. Oh. This controls the controller for the instigator for an actor. Instigator is the one who created the actor. For the example, one who shot. He's the creator. Man. Gosh dang it. Tell me what you is. Okay, so when I walk through rooms, it should print my name. Or my controller. Ghost Game Player Controller C. Ghost Game Player Controller. Yeah, it's this. Ghost Game Player Controller. Okay, so that works. Getting the controller, blah, blah, blah. Oof, and then what if I do... shit. Location. And then this is a location blueprint. That compile, okay. No, it's not. Current location, sure, okay. Ghost game player controller object reference. Controller object reference. Damn you. Do I have to like cast to the controller from this now? Dang. Now what if I do it? What if we do it? Right? Controller. Yeah. Then what are you gonna do about it, huh? Look at that stamina go down. Oh no, my health. Haha. Okay. And I think that works. It's all coming on begin overlap, so just for testing purposes. I don't have anything on tick in here, right? I shouldn't. No, okay. Yeah, okay. So now on tick, I'm going to print my current location. That should prove that it is being dynamically set and changed. That way then, when I communicate to objects, it'll be easy to tell the message where to go. Princess Bees, thank you, yes, okay. Now, as for how often I would like to tick. Just 1 second, please. Okay. Boom. Holy Jesus. What happened to my frame rate? Damn. That is wild. Whoa. Alright, maybe let's turn off tick on the player controller. No, it's somewhere else. Whoa. Maybe it's the casting in the overlap event. Jesus. Dang, whoa, what is... That's not good. Alright, I'm gonna leave that connected for a second. Damn. It's gonna restart the editor and see what happens. That's wild. Whoa. What? So the frame rate is actually good, but it's my input that is laggy as fuck. That is new. Oh, wait, that's just a game mode. Oh, wow. Damn. Okay, so I think what was happening was that because I turned tick to 1 second, it was only receiving my move inputs every 1 second. Ugh, that's so dumb. Ooh, so smart. Making games is so fucking easy, guys. Oh. No, fuck. Two once. Delay. Print. Reset. There. It's gonna keep firing through here. It's only gonna get through once. It's gonna wait a second. It's gonna print, and then it'll reset to let another one through. Yeah. Okay, so it's printing. Whoa. Whoa, calm down there. Calm down. Okay. So we're in the family room. Now we're in the kitchen. Oh, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Dining room 2. Living room. Gosh. Is making games easy, you guys? Oh, wait, yeah. I need this to say outside. That's okay. That's gonna be easy, just like the rest of it. Ha 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 ha. Office. Whoa. I gotta slide that little door over. IKEA. I need to make these windows separate too, so you can slide them over. Would you believe me if I told you I scaled this bed up like almost 1.5 times? No, right? Looks pretty natural. It's a lie. Shh. Close that. This is missing a bed over here. Yes. Here you go. Ooh, ominous green cabinet. Fun stuff. Where's our ghost buddy? He sure did make a mess. See if we can find him before I get back. Oh, there he is. Oh, look at him go. Oh, so spooky and cool. Okay. Alright, where was I now? So we're telling the player what its current location is now. And with that, goodness. Right click. No, okay. Saying this harmful action thing. So we want to pass through. Yeesh. Test, no. I'm just gonna have to make separate interfaces for it. I think that'll be good, because then I'll just have secondary kind of streams to test things that I can just completely delete later. Oh yeah. Okay. So blueprints, interfaces, ghost interaction interfaces. Just gonna copy that. Blueprint ghost interaction test underscore spooky. No saying. No, just give me spooky test action. Okay. Right now, we'll leave ghost strength. That's fine. But we do want to say target actor. This is gonna be an actor object reference. Thank you. So when we communicate our message, we're gonna tell a specific blueprint. Like we send the message, the target of the message will be the blueprint, and then we'll pass in the additional data of the actor we want the blueprint to redirect to. Don't you get it? Does it make sense? Oh. Whoa. Alrighty then. So, yeah, got that, okay. So now I need to implement those interfaces in the, well, I guess for sending the messages, you don't actually need to implement the interfaces, or so I've learned. Get current location. Test action message. So now we say the target is our current location, and we pass it the actor that we just hit with our player ghost points. And that's that. As far as checking if it does implement the harmful thing, we don't need that because we know our that's it. Whatever. You get it. Okay. Alrighty. Oops. If it's true, you go on ahead and put that right there. Type in. Excuse me. Okay. And then now, last thing to do. Take these bad boys. So let's just set these to freaking fine. We'll make it here. Player test ghost points. Alright, so let's do duplicate. Player test. Strength. That's a float. Let's put 50. Let's do 100. Why not? Okay. Send those out over here. We are going to get. Okay. Test. Shit. What? Oh, no, okay. Boot plant goes there. Test. Scary. Testing for harmful, scary, spooky. Okay. Harmful. Yeah. Okay. Excuse me? Uh-oh. Did I just overwrite something? Pay attention, kids. Make sure you don't overwrite your own stuff. Spooky test action. Yeah, it's all good. Okay, so I just haven't installed it yet. Pretty sure. Okay, so now when it gets a test call from me, I'll give it a target and it can deliberate. Let's see if that works. K is H is harmful, J is scary, K is spooky. Do spooky. Oh yeah, C4. Dang it. It's not doing anything. Oh wait, that's harmful. Okay. Now we're gonna troubleshoot this. Okay. I'm gonna move this over. So basically, I'm just gonna be clicking on the chair in the scene as for most of the testing for this. Well, okay. So F1. Okay. So whoa. Oh, that might be why. Spooky test action message. Make sure it hit physics body or world dynamic. Which is, yeah, that, okay. Set up as well dynamic, yeah. Okay. Try this one more time. H. Oh yeah, obviously that didn't hit. Okay, that trace, that hit. J hit. Okay, hit. Okay. So on all our controllers, for at least for our controller, you know, that's definitely working. Now, the controller is supposed to send this to its current location, which is being printed. So if I come up here and look at the kitchen, which is where my printout is telling me I am. 1, 2, 3. Doodaloo, doodaloo, doodaloo. Okay. So the kitchen's sending those things. Now, shit. I need to find the chair. Crap. Uh-oh. Is that it? Store strength and set AP index customs. Oh, okay. I think I need to do this then. Yes, this is going to come from class settings, BPGIT, harmful, scary, spooky. Okay. I need to compile after bringing those in. Harmful test. Spooky, scary, harm. Okay. The location zone is sending this harmful action to the ghost object. Or we should be getting the harmful action thing firing. So let's try that. Where's the one? Okay. This is our target chair that we're going to click on. Okay. So we established that our character was sending out the message. The location zone was picking up the message and sending it out. And now we are confirming that our ghost objects are picking up the message coming from here. Okay. Look at that. Huh? Okay. So that's working. Calling a custom spooky event within itself. Okay. So it should be on BPGOF chair. Oh no, I mean this is. Yeah, right? Ah, crap. I didn't implement. Damn. Okay. So I think it would work if I had this set up. Yeah. Okay. Sort of gonna be something like this. Don't care. Don't care. Okay. So for the custom spooky event, this is gonna be a small slide, yeah. Okay, and this is just kind of for the menu cinematic stuff. Let me see. We're gonna not do that right now. I'll make separate assets so that that can just populate the main menu kind of screen. Maybe, I don't know. I was thinking I wanted to have that my UI kind of set up available such that I can drop it in any level and like it functions, but as far as having objects in the level do random events in the background, that's kind of where this comes from. But I don't know how to do that very well. Okay. Minor input, small slide events already there, so that's cool. That's cool. I'm gonna just kind of do a little something like this. And then, yeah, remove those action points. I gotta kind of do this for every category of asset, which feels pretty loco, but there's no function like custom function I can make that'll give me these execution pins. Like just out of a single unit like this. And even then I need to be able to customize, like on different assets I'll have different values here, and depending on how many actions I come up with. Some of these might not, or most of these might not get used in some cases. Okay, this is for spooky, so we kind of just gotta do this similar thing for scary. Event custom scary. Just wanna do this. We don't really have anything scary for the chair right now. Unless we do like a strong impulse. No. Move the action points. Just kind of setting the stage loosely for what's going to have to happen. And then we just kind of put an event here and connect it in. Similar thing for custom home. I'll change the names of these later. Okay. So yeah, we consider these our controllers, and then we'll create custom events to plug into them. So the one we have for this is something that we can do on all pieces of furniture, so that's why the event is stored here. But that, like this impulse is just to, push it a little bit, and then the slide just kind of moves it a little bit through space. Cha-cha-cha. So for now, that's kind of all we got. It's just our spooky test. I guess we can come over here and say, for now, print this and say, chair has no spooky actions. Cherry. The cherry has no spooky actions. Okay. So now I think this should work. Okay, so if I hit H, we're gonna get no harmful actions, right? Chair has no harmful actions. Chair has no spooky actions now. Okay. Ooh. We got an impulse. Let's go. Okay again. Okay again. Okay, so we're just spending one action point. Or no, yeah, we're just spending one for a minor impulse. Okay. Let's see. Oh, it's coming out of 0, actually. Yeah. So, if I hit 2, that'll set my action points to 2. And now we'll do the other action with... Okay. No. What? Lame. There we go. Why did setting it to 2 not work? Oh, because it was still minusing 1? Yeah, see, so that just gave me 1 ghost point. Okay. 2. That's what I was trying to do. So if I hit 2, we should get the second path. It's kind of lame. Let's see. So you are passing through my ghost points. Okay. And in the location zone. Yeah, we're just passing the actions through to the asset. And then, what's happening here? Where did we change? There was supposed to be a step where we like subtracted 1 from the action output. Select the item in the room. Yeah, it just gets a random item. Okay. Harmful selection. Harmful action. Spooky actions. Blah 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 blah. Blah blah blah. Strange. Right? Because the action points need to be able to come in at 0. Ugh. Ugh. Why am I doing this? What is life? Let's try to think about the path of the entity. The game mode is what gives the entity its action points. So it must be in the controller that I'm reducing it. Goodness gracious. Alright, let's try to make this a little bit more clear. Okay, so this is choose random action fire. So this just allows, it's basically just a random operation to allow the true path to come out. When the false path comes out, we get this. This is setting our dang it. Our ability to do higher level actions based on game time. Okay. And now here, we check to make sure that we actually have more than 0 points before continuing. Otherwise, this does basically nothing. And then beyond that, kind of pick a random number between 1 and 3 for our random action tier. And then if it's not accessible, basically we go back to the next lower tier, and if that's not accessible, go to the base. And now we say for each action, or for each location in the level, basically communicate to all of them that we are passing this action through, which is coming from there. Yeah, we're just sending this amount of points to the end. Okay. So we're sending all of our points to the location zone. The location zone should be responsible for translating that. Pick object type, slip by room, length greater, add as to array. No. Electronics, all this tick setting crap. Alright, so that's also just passing the ghost point straight through the object. Okay, here it is, yes. In the object master class, basically, we are receiving. Okay, so the objects are receiving the interface. Calling custom spooky, yeah. Okay. Yeah, so at this point, it is receiving and reducing the action points. So, do here is say maybe even print the number of action points when the chair does a spooky thing that I'm passing through to it. Okay, it's gonna print 0. I sent 0 points. What? Or no, okay. 0 is the number that came from this. Okay. Which is fine. But then when I hit 2 on my keyboard, I should be passing through 2 action points. It'll subtract 1. And this 1 pin should come out. Two on my keyboard. 2, 2, 2, 2. Come over here. Okay. It still sends 0. But if I hit, well, like 5. Hit 5 on my keyboard. And then I hit L. Okay. It says I sent 1 point? What? Something's not right out here. Darn it. Why is that not working? Let's confirm at least that this is working. 1, 2, 5, 8. Okay. That's working just fine. Now I'm gonna need to do the spooky test, but we can say print string pin. Okay, so the player's sending those, right? No activate. Okay, so it's only when I hit something. Fine. Get out of my way, dog. No, okay. Action send 0. Yeah, sure. Okay, so if I hit 2, and then H, yeah, you're sending out 2. Okay, that's good. Alright, so players communicating 2 here. Should be coming to the location zone here. And then this is sending It's just sending it to an object. Input action points. Subtract 1. Yeah, why is that? Okay, so when the object does the spooky action, it'll print before and after. Okay, so 2. Okay. For real? 002. Ugh. What's happening? It's like it's firing twice. Ah. No. Two. Come over here. Okay. Oh god, nothing stays on screen long. God. Player sent AP2. Okay. Item received points 2. Item used points 0. How is it deleting all the points? Alright, guys. Think about it. I'm going to go to the bathroom real quick. Okay. I'll expect answers when I get back. Let me know in the chat. Why is this not working? Okay. One sec. Peace. why is it not work? What's up? Somewhere in here. Sequence. Reduce. Oh yeah. Whoops. Okay. So this is to say, like, yes, we provided X number of points, but we're kind of randomly choosing to use less than that. So for these guys then... Dang it. Okay. I need to be able to way to send... guarantee that the action points I'm putting in are what's being used, what's getting to the asset. Yeah. I can just remake it. Man, it's okay. It's okay. I got the tests in here, right? Just say that, like, up here we're basically going to be sending out the message versions of this. So event. Full test action message. That's what we ultimately want. So these are just debugging, it's fine. Okay. Now the player's sending this test action, and then the ghost object is going to receive the test action. Basically, it's going to be this. Yeah, we just need that actually, huh? Circuit test action. Dang I think that'll work. Just to be safe though, I'm gonna do this. Come over here, hit 1, that gives me 1. And if I hit L, it should slide. Okay, slide, bro. Uh-uh. 0, okay. Really? Come on now. Yo. No, it's doing okay. I am just kind of setting, I'm kind of remaking some things so that I can test. Like basically everything I've been doing is so that the ghost can do all these actions, but now as the player, I want to be able to run around and like trigger things like I'm the ghost. So I'm just kind of implementing that right now. But yeah, no, it's not working. So yeah. Okay, so we're just gonna make sure that this is actually being called. Chair 3 is what's selected. Okay. So I should see these ones come up. H is that. Oh, whoa. Oh, haha. Oops. That's why. We want harmful on top, scary, spooky. Okay, harmful on top. Okay, harmful is supposed to go up here. Spooky's down here. There we go. Just crisscrossing my wires. Don't worry about me. Okay, now if I hit K, good. Does that, and then if I spawn and give myself an action point, come over here and hit K, it should slide. Nice. On the fucking ghost and hit it. Damn you. Okay. And then actually my furniture, I should have like a float and return to, yeah, float to reset. Okay, so let's implement that. Inner chair. So for 2 scary action points, let's do to reset. Know what I'm saying? 2 action points for the scary. Okay, so now if it's on the floor, I can look at it and hit J, and that should send it back. Hit K to just like kind of muck it up. God, that chair falls over so easy. Let's do K again, and now let's see, J without changing anything, 0. J, that should do nothing. Hitting 1, I think will make it do something now. J. No? Okay, let's try 2. J. Dang it. F1. Right? J. J. Oh, shoot. I do have spooky stuff now. If we're gonna do something, please. Okay. Oops. Oh no. Fell down. Okay, now J is gonna not do anything, but if I hit 2 and then hit J, do something. Yes. Yes. Look at it go. Oh, it's beautiful. Holy shit. Whoa. Oh, whoops. Yeah. So cool. I mean, that kind of works. I gotta work on this, that like individual event and how that functions, but calling it and everything, yeah, that's fine. I can do that with whatever object I need. Perfect. Yeah. Nice. I'll come over here and hit K. That doesn't do anything, really? J not doing anything. What if I hit 5? Okay, no, J, no, it's not doing it. Oh yeah, because I only implemented that call in the chair class. But no, it's here. Custom harm, yeah. Why isn't it working? What is this? PPGO furniture. Oh, it's a separate thing. Gosh darn you. No, it's not. It's the same thing. It's the child of this. Oh, okay, so it doesn't have anything else implemented. Just trying to think, like most of the actions are going to be the same. I could basically call this a chair. The chairs should be able to float up to the ceiling. Alright, so I can do the same thing here. To ceiling. Right, call function, flip to ceiling and launch. Yeah, rise to ceiling. What? What? Float to reset. No, you want this bad boy. Flip to ceiling and launch. Okay. Yep, that's what that is. Bing, bada, boom. We have our harmful actions. So now if I just look at this and hit H. Boom. Whoa. Okay, I was too far away from it, but now this one I'm pretty close to. Blue, now it should fire it at me. No? Dang. Okay, we gotta resolve that. Please don't flip around a ton. Oh. Okay. Alright, that's... Whoa. Hit me. Dang it. So I have... the furniture class, rise to the ceiling, enable physics. Should be launching at the player. Why is this not firing? Say fire. Get the player location. Tell ourselves to simulate physics and the gravity. Minimum harm throw distance. Let's make it 10 meters. Or maybe the impulse isn't strong. Throw strength multiplier, current ghost strength. Throw strength multiplier. Is this ridiculously low? No, that should be throwing it. And I guess we can try with the velocity change, and it might just be a freaking missile at that point. And as long as it gets to me. Wow. It's really just not doing it. Okay. Still don't want this too far. It's not like for these the maximum throw distance. Yeah, it's there. It's not like those are getting overridden. It is firing. What? I was thinking it wasn't making it through here, but it is. It's just launch item player. Okay, it'll do all that. I need to disable collision on the way up. Damn. If true, strength is taken as a change in velocity instead of an impulse, mass will have no effect. I want mass to, I guess. Take the player location, add 150 to basically make it about like chest to head high. Then we're taking that as our vector and subtracting the current location of the asset of like the chair. That's giving us our vector of direction, and then we're multiplying it by our throw strength. Why is that not working? Alright, time to make this 70,000. Give me 100 times stronger throw. You better flippin' work, boy. Come on. Come at me. No. What? Why is it not able to receive the impulse? me just do that. Send it straight out in X. Who knows where X is? It's not down. Okay, so it kind of moved a little bit. Nice. That was with 500. Ugh. Okay, current ghost strength. Maybe that's getting set to 0 or something, and that's why it's just not working. Goodness. Yeah. Set it to 50 until we know better. Okay. Oh, math. Math be mathin'. Don't you hate it when you multiply by 0? Whoa. Sweet crikey Jesus. Why did that just get deleted? Okay, maybe we can not have this at 70,000. It was already pretty rough before. Whatever. Yeah. 1% of light speed should be tangible. Boom. There we go. Now, let's see if we can get that hit to deal damage. Player controller has those. No. Let's go to our player pawn. Capsule control widget. Okay, can we get... Should hit events from its collides during physics simulation. Damn it. Should the object know when it hits something? I'm trying to think. So the object, I want that chair to deal damage to the player, right? So when the chair and the player collide, does the chair tell the player that it hit them, or does the player tell itself that it got hit? What I don't want to do is turn on generate hit events and then have the player like constantly firing those because they're hitting the ground or a wall or something. The character movement using set location and sweep. Dang it. I want to see simulates generate hit. Dang it. Feels like hit events are the only way I'm gonna be able to know if the character is getting attacked. I think I should do it in the chair. No. Probably should do it in the character. Let's just try this first. God damn it. Print the actor that's been hit. Okay. Let's see. I just run into the wall. Maybe that has to do with the movement component. Because pretty sure. No. Apply impulse on damage. True for damage this component to apply impulse value. No, I don't care. Don't apply impulse on damage. Okay. What? Okay, sure. Come on, man. Alright, I'm gonna look at the collision settings. Crouch half mass. This is 0. Push force factor. No. See, it says I'm like jumping. I hit the floor. Hitting the chair, just running into it. Man. Dang it. Want some way to not have either the character or the chairs just waiting to be hit, you know? Going to have to do it's gonna have to be like a compare or something. I have to make sure it's like a ghost object subclass. Or if I cast to a master class with a target that's a subclass, is that gonna be valid? Ugh, I don't want to cast. Alright, so we'll have to do with cast on begin play. Cast ghost objects into variable. Ah, crap. I'm gonna have to cast on every single one. I can't be casting on hit. No way. No flippin' way. Can I just do this? Call that a ghost object, and then over here on hit, other actor has tag. Ghost object. Right? Control C. Done. Maybe. Branch. Boom. Now we're only gonna print ghost objects. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. No, print the floor. Ah, get out of my way, bro. Print the chair. Yeah, yeah. Print the chair. Print the chair. Print that chair. Yeah. Is this not getting the table though? Table. That's weird. For real? Yeah. Tables and chairs. Yeah, okay, it's a table and chair, even though the name is not there. Okay. This is a ghost object way. Hold on. Yeah. But I wasn't allowed to interact with it? Is it starting with physics turned off? I think so. Or maybe it doesn't have generate hit events turned on. Probably the generate hit events thing. Eek. Shouldn't that be on here though? Crap. Okay. Tables and chairs. Hit. Whoa. What? Generates hit events, yeah. Why is the table not working? It could be some dumb thing where I have to like replace it. Like I bet now if I use this table, this one will work. Yeah, see, get the tables and chairs. Wait, what? Oh, you can see those things. Okay, whoa. Calm down there. Huh. Why is... Oh. You know why? I know. Is this in the furniture? Okay, now I don't know where that print statement's coming from. I got lost, guys. I got lost. Help. Okay, god damn it. Furniture, objects. On hit. No. It's not in the chair? Or no, okay, it's here, it's here, it's here. Ugh. Only printing objects that have the ghost object tag. Come in here, we click on you. Maybe we need to do it for the component level. Yeah, obviously the component doesn't have the tags, but these fools got the tags. Oh shit, it doesn't. Oh shit. Even the PPGO furniture, that one has it. And this is a subclass of that. Bruh. Bruh. Alright, I guess tags are not inherited from actor classes. No? Dang, you're really not gonna give it to me, huh? Oh, wait, give me my table. Bruh. That's my table, I need it. Oh. That's just like not getting hit? Oh, okay, no, never mind, I'm just not. I'm a clown, man. I'm a freaking clown, man. Okay, we're hitting. But it's saying this, the actor that I'm hitting does not have the tag on it. Tables and chairs. I mean, what was it? Because I just added it now. Ghost objects. Object. God dang it. Tables and chairs. Okay. Now that should work. Boom. There we go. Oh, okay, hit it. Oh man. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. I also want to print hit impact normal pulse impulse, right? That should be like the strength of it at the impact point. Okay, so when I get hit, it's gonna print the object and how hard I'm hitting it. Fucking 0? What? Why does that register as a hit then? Come on now, man. Ooh, I kinda saw. Yeah, see. I get a higher number. Oh wait, I gotta hit this. Kia. Dang, even that doesn't. What? I swear I saw some other numbers in there. Whoa. Whoa. So the chair fell. I can't even grab it now. Dang it. Okay. Screw you. Oops. Break. Add. Zero is greater, no. Branch. this ghost object and the normal impulse added together is greater than 0. Let's see, you're gonna print that. And then, no, I'll do this to print anything. You'll print the object and the impulse. Okay. Huh. I don't think I'm understanding this properly. If you bump a character into a physics actor, the event hit node on the physics actor will have a normal impulse of 0. The only node you need is event hit. Vector length. Wow. Get velocity. Really? Alright, so let's take the normal. No. Dang it. Something to do with the character controller. And how this is simulating the physics. Oh, is this just because it's not simulating physics? That can't be right. I can't even move when it's simulating physics. Okay. How am I gonna do this? it's so weak. Like, why would it not generate that? What sucks is I bet other actors. If I put it in the chair, it might work better. Generates hit events, character can step up on. So this pawn advance. Let's just try that just to see. No, whoa. How did I even get all those other... Oh, there we go. It's like somehow when I hit it and release... No. I don't know. I just can't generate the force. Man. Ghost object on component hit. Dang it, really? I don't want to do that. Let's see. See, they're like constantly being hit. And why is it only in the Z direction? With these, like I can't even... So it doesn't make any sense. It's like it's being hit from the bottom, sure, but... Darn it. Maybe I have to use the damage system? There's no components. Can be damaged. Okay, let's try this. Don't take any damage. What? What? Why are you like this? Why not? impulse on damage. Oh, crap. Alright. How do we do damage? Where is my boy Deformed? Deformed Feticus. I need you. Let's just add impulse on damage. True for damages component. To this component to apply physics impulse. False to opt out of these impulses. Okay, so that's when something gets damaged. I still want to see. Delete this. Okay, so let's see. We're gonna just ignore that for now. Okay, what happens when a chair gets thrown at our face? That better have a high impulse. Ah. No. Okay, oh, can you stop, please? Don't fuck up my experiment. Come on, bro. What happened to the chair? Sacre bleu. It's not outside, is it? Oh, yeah, whoops, this is kind of backwards, but... Oh, I don't see... Oh, there's the chair. Okay, got disable collision on this guy. You're supposed to... Alright, maybe let's just ignore the physics bodies then too. Okay. Okay, so this is gonna get stuck there, fly up, blah blah blah. It's supposed to hit me and bounce off of me. It just flies through everything. What the hell? Furniture has the event. So we enable all the physics beforehand. Even enable gravity. It's just moving too quickly. Okay, yeah. And I can't grab it. Okay. But sweet. So Let's try this. Where was that? Event on hit, no. Was I still doing that from my controller? Zombie controller, we don't care about. First person character, okay, this is what we want. So is this me printing? For real? It's like lazily registering that I'm hitting this table. Why you like that? 2J. Go back to your home. Go back to your home. Back. Why am I not able to... Holy crap. Just the nearest of misses. I should be able to pick that up, but oh well. Oh, nice. And now this doesn't work at all. Okay. Fuck, we got a lot of problems. So even when I take a chair to the dome, it will not print. Ooh, I can run into the table. Oh man. Alright. So let's try you then. Component. Who says we can't use tags on the players? Know what I'm saying, son? Primitive data defaults, no. Where are my actor components? What? What? Let's give me the tags. Where are the tags? There we go, tags. Is a player. See what I'm saying? My homeboy's a player. Now, that's the flippin' chair. I'll do it that way. Hashtag player. Branch. True. Oops, that's not at all right. Print stream, the normal impulse. Okay. Bow, bow, bow. Bow, bow. Also, if I touch it, it'll make the thing, but please give me something. Nice. I'll take that. I'm gonna take that first impulse. Basically. Actually, do we have a damage? No. Why do you have to be like that? I don't like doing that. I don't understand it. I don't want it. Get it out of here. It's almost like doing damage to myself. What? There's no way. This is just like a blueprint interface, right? It's just not gonna work. Oops. Okay. Damage output. That means someone's inputting damage. You know what I'm saying? Add damage. Make damage. Do damage. Apply damage. Damaged actor. This. Ha ha ha. Ha 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 ha. Let's do 0.5. Ooh. Ooh. 50% damage, you don't say. Base damage. That's going to come in as our class here. When the damage comes in, we're going to say who took damage, get health. Fuck, we are storing this in the player controller, huh? Okay. We're gonna just make sure it stays in there. Get player health. We're gonna have to cast to it as our controller. Wait, do I have this? No, I don't. Boo. Damn. A component. What? There's no references to it. Okay. Dang it. I mean, hopefully this is right. Game player controller. Maybe an instance of no. Get. Don't I have? No, the controller gets this. On take damage. How does the pawn communicate to the controller? How do you store your own controller? Gets the owner of this actor used primarily for network replication. What is that even going to be? Control X. Gameplay. Fully out-chain the actor that owns this component. Come on, man. I never never do that one. I always do this one like multiple times. Figure it out. Okay. Damn. Not an actor component. What the shite? Ah. Ooh. Oh wow, that's easy. Okay. Get controller, you shit me. Alright. Get that control. I got a friggin' cast in the friggin' god damn it. Oh, you little bastard. No, this is the AI Ghost Game Player Controller. Cast to Ghost Game Player Controller, yes. Okay. Okay. Set up our player controller there. Now, I come down here. Take ourselves as our player controller. Go to our health. We're gonna say get set player health from Ghost Game Controller. We're gonna get it. We're gonna say subtract this much. Oops. Subtract this much. What the shite? Oh, okay. Maybe that'll work. Wait, what? Yeah. You fool. Okay. So I got our controller. And then we take damage. We're gonna print that we took damage and we're gonna take a little bit. That should update our UI too. Alright, mother schmucker. Now you're gonna hit me. Oh wait, it's not dealing damage though. I don't think. Right? Ghost object. No, what's coming at me? So when the chair gets hit, checking for the player tag, applying the base damage to that. Oh no. Does that matter even? It's not printing when this thing does hit me. Why? Print the normal impulse when the thing hits me. Okay. Now we want a print statement of some big numbers. There we go. Okay. With generic damage. Have this. is not taking any generic damage, whatever that means. Hey, I told him not to interact with those, damn it. So we should see that damage event fire. That's lame, that should be working. Yeah, it won't send damage. I'm just gonna have to make my own damage system. Which honestly isn't bad. It's just so weak. 5 damage. Target is gameplay statistics? What? No, okay, I don't understand what I'm doing here. I gotta... Okay, this is what we're gonna do. Back to the interfaces. Oops. Interface. Underscore. 2 damage. Open that up. 2 damage function inputs are going to be damage amount. That's a float. Okie dokie there. So now the thing that needs to respond when damage is done is this. So the body needs to understand that damage was done to it. Okay. Call that, and then here we can say on component hit. Do damage message to the actor. Take off half. Okay. What do I have to do for this? Truncate? No. Damn it. Okay, let's at least get to the character. And let's make sure that this is firing. Slide a spawn event, do damage. Well, that one worked. Why did the other one not work? Did it miss me? it's not picking that up as a hit. But then this other second different chair, when this one hits me, I'm gonna lose all my health. No. I mean, it worked, but... I mean, that time it worked. Okay. Dang. Is this a known bug we're just gonna have to leave in? Because I don't know why it's wrong. It's working, right? So odd. Successfully hitting and then it just doesn't do anything. Hui. Okay. I think that's gonna do it for now. I'm gonna write down my bugs. Disable other print statements here. Component hit. Yes, we're not reading hits coming to us. I don't even need this to print damage. I can see it in the UI. What am I doing? The chair stops being able to be interacted with. I can interact with things I need to interact with. Because even that coffee table I should be able to flip. Even the couch. The couch I should be able to flip. No? Come on now. Come on now. I'm gonna go 2. Give me that. What? 5. Oh, shit. Okay, maybe they're just not set up. They're not set up. Okay, that's fine. I can't pick you up anymore, but I can do that. That's fun. I go 0, click that. 1. What if I click 1 while it's all upside down? Oh, whoops. That's just gonna reset. Yeesh. Okay. Spooky door in the distance. Yeah. Come here. Do we not have the slam objects? I thought I added those. What the hey? Oh. Okay. So come over here. Do. This is how we do it, y'all. This is door 19. This is cabinet, right? What the fuck? Whatever. Door 19. Cabinet 5. Door. Cabinet. Okay. Take you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay. And door 1, 2, nice. Oh, well, sure. Okay, these aren't set up. But oh, we can get into that later. This fucked up sink. That's annoying. Yeah. Okay. Thanks for now. That'll do it. You're not supposed to be able to move. See, look at this. Why is that one not? Oh, okay. You don't do. Okay, it doesn't do the slide. Can't do. Oh no, it does do the slide. Nice. Okay. Oh shit. Okay. Whoa. Nice. I wish this were a little bit more bright. This is fine. And oh, we got a spooky thing in the reflection there. I like that. hard edge toilet there. So we don't love the darkness in the corner. We do not. Oh, I can put a little desk lamp there, actually. That'll be nice. Oh, shit. What? You didn't pull these out, did you? Are you doing it? Nah, that must have been from you just walking into them, huh? Huh. Oh, you little bugger. A little buggeroo. Yeah. I need to actually make a crouch button so you can get down there. Wee. Oh my gosh. Oh, so cool. Excuse me? Okay. Oh no, the ghost is coming. Hide, hide. Fuck. Run away. Grabbing stuff only works if you're like a meter away. Otherwise, as soon as you get away, you drop. Drop it. Yeah. So you now release the button. Alright. Someday I'll put a window in there. Someday. Got our fridge. We have no doors and everything for that, which is nice. We just gotta remap the materials. Same thing with the stove. Oh man. Alright, I think it's time for lunch. I hope everyone's been enjoying this chaotic dev stream. I think right now I really just need to I need to make it so these chairs can work multiple times. As is right now. I think if I nudge it, let's see, and then if I bring it back. I didn't have enough action points. Oops, whatever. I'll bring it back, do that, and then it won't work. Oh, well, it did work. Well, you know. Come on back. Okay, one more time. So K doesn't work anymore, but then J does. Okay, so that works. H, oh nice. Okay, so I think everything does actually work multiple times. I just needed... Damage me, yes. I just needed, action points. I was missing... I wasn't, like, using the right amount of action points when I tried to call an event. But nice. Sweet. Stuff's working. I can die. My game now features death. Blah. You dead, son. No more health. No more health. Love to see it. Now it's like similar kind of thing for knives. Ooh, yeah. There's another function I want too where it's like, it'll do that, and then like, let's say it does it off screen, right? You're over here. It sets up the chair. It's gonna float the chair up to the ceiling, and then I want it to like wait. It'll just kind of sit there, and then the player can come in and like look at it, and they'll be like, "Oh shit, there's that thing." And they'll come over here and they'll stare at it, and either they stare at it for like 30 seconds and then it does something, or they'll look away. It'll go off screen, and then it'll fire the chair at them. So I want it to delay by like by long-term visual or a lack of sight. Similar in here, so the knife is gonna like, it'll come out of the holder and like float up here, like float in the middle of the room. And then when a player walks near it, it'll just drop. Maybe. We'll see. Okay. Yeah. So those are all there. What material does this have on it? Why are you like that? Give me this material. This is the good stuff right here. Don't you know what I'm saying, bro? Whoa. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. That's not using the right mesh. Come on now, boyo. Game on now, boy. Okay. Alright. Time for food. Thanks everybody for joining. Let me know if you have any questions or comments as I shut this down. Ghost objects doing good. I'll call this debug. Maybe, just maybe, kind of want this to be very light lavender perhaps. I'll add that up there. Okay. Ghost objects, begin play, visible. I think this was all for debugging stuff, so I'm just gonna get rid of it. Do you know what I mean? Yeah, so it's all these. These reroute the actions to their subclasses. Okay. Furniture. So those are the colors that we set. That's where these come in. For each asset, I'm gonna make these event boxes. Use this color coding. So I guess the chair doesn't have any custom events. Tables and chairs. This does though. Those are the controllers. So this is a spooky one. So we use this one, I believe. And then this we're gonna put in here. That one is for the lower level actions. Do, do, do. And then they're kind of grouped under their controllers too. So this is the controller for scary, this for spooky, and this for harmful. Okay. One component hit, blah. These are more controller settings. It's all good. So much stuff happening. What is this? On left click for the character. Shmee. Shmee, shmee, shmee. Whoa. This is my ghost blueprint, character blueprint. Nada. Which really just means I can use any skeletal mesh. That'll work. Okay. Yeah. And that's it. Alright, everybody. Curse you, frame rate. Stay up. I would love to see it. Okay. That's gonna be it, everybody. Might get on later, might not. Who knows? But thanks for joining this time, and I will certainly be on to see y'all tomorrow.